Friends, Running Kimono here. So we have 2 freebies in this preview and it is pretty amazing stuff. So this is going to be another fantastic week over at Walgreens. I'm pretty excited by that. So the first thing I want to talk about is there are many boosters that showed up in your digital coupons folder. Look for them at the very top. We have a 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G. I think there's a 5 back when you spend 20 on Olay, a 10 back when you spend 30 on medical, a 7 back when you spend 30. So there are going to be some tremendous deals, especially curbside, because some of these are curbside exclusives only. Go and load all of them right now. And then we have the monthly progressive as well. This is the one that I got. Everybody's monthly progressives are a little bit different. 6 purchases, $30+, earn $20 back. I mean, if they have this sort of week every week, I think that's going to be very attainable. A lot of you that are wondering, the summer essentials, 50% off at many stores. So it's a lot of pool floaties, the chalk, balloons, like water balloons, that sort of stuff. And I think also Squishimals that are tracking with summer are also 50% off. So you might have to ask for a couple price checks. I mean, I like it when it's 75 or 80, so we'll have to just monitor this one. And if you missed it yesterday, I did my Dollar General haul. There's a 4-day clearance event that's going right till the 2nd, which is Labor Day, and you might want to check it out. Some great deals, 60-cent Love diapers, very cheap stuff, and I found even penny items. I'll link this video at the very end. I also wanted to mention in this flyer lots of digital coupon codes for various deals for next week. So the curbside is going to be really fantastic because they're already advertising this. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, September the 1st. If you could do me a huge solid before we dive into the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps out the channel and to make sure that the video gets out there and it doesn't end up in, well, Siberia. So please take a second and like the video. Thank you so much, guys. The first item is the $4 Dove shampoo. Buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. No mention of a coupon, but that's okay. IBOTTA is also giving back $2 for each shampoo. Make sure you have this loaded right now for Sunday and triple check it's still, in your IBOTTA rebate when you're in the store buying this. Grabbing 2 of these for $8. You'll pay the $8 or roll some Walgreens cash or a register reward if you're doing this deal with no booster. Get back a $5 in Walgreens cash for the promotion of buy 2, get back 5. $4 back from IBOTTA. You're going to take a photo of your receipt. It makes it free and a $1 money maker. Let's triple check on Sunday. Is there a digital coupon? Yes or no? And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And the rebates on Fetch are no longer available. They vanished. Now, over on IBOTTA yesterday, we have a $2 back for the Dove shampoo, a $2 back for Love Beauty and Planet, and a $2 back for the Tresemme. If you did do some of my deals earlier in the week, Sunday to today, yes, you can actually photograph an old receipt to still claim all these IBOTTA rebates. So I would try and get your money today, especially for Love Beauty and Planet and Tresemme. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, sign up today, link in the description. It's a terrific app. A lot of us are rich now. Okay, the next deal we're looking at, another freebie, is the $3 Crest or Oral-B products. We're probably looking at those toothbrushes again. $3 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of these for $6, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another dental care deal is with the Colgate for $4.50. So we're going to track down 2 of those products. We also have a $2 off. It's probably going to be $2 off of each. Grabbing 2 of them for $9, subtracting the two $2 coupons. So you're probably going to have to grab like a brush and a paste or a mix. You're going to pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're using no booster. With Halloween right around the corner, every week leading up to Halloween, there's always a sweet treat that's going to be very cheap, including the fun-size Snickers for $2.50, the perfect thing to throw into those back-to-school lunches. And we have a buy 1, get 2 for free on the Arm & Hammer. Typically, this shakes out to like $2.79 per detergent or laundry care item. So, I mean, if you need to stock up, it's not the worst price. Pantene is $5 for the smaller bottles. $4 reward when you buy 3, and we have a up to $3 off coupon, so I think that's going to be a 3 off of 3. Grabbing 3 of these shampoos for $15, so 3 at $5. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $12, get back a $4 register reward, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per Pantene. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I certainly need a little bit more Pantene in my stockpile. I might be doing this deal. The Pampers are 2 for $21, and we're going to have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $21. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $18. Get back a $4 register reward for buying 2 of them. It makes it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And guess who's back? We have the BOGO 50% off on the Gillette and Venus $5 reward when you buy 2 and up to $3 coupon. Grabbing 1 Venus and 1 Gillette on a BOGO 50% off, the cheapest ones, it'll be $14.98. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, again, we have to double, triple check that on Sunday. You'll pay $8.98, get back a $5 register reward, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per fancy razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, guys, so this is potentially another freebie. It's BOGO 50% off on the Old Spice deodorant, $3 reward when you buy 2 and up to 7 off coupon. IBOTTA is also giving back $2 for each, so you know the drill. You have to double, triple check that rebate is still there on Sunday. 2 of these deodorants is $13.18. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $6.18. $3 register reward, $4 back from IBOTTA. It makes it free and a small money maker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This one, because it's a $7 and there's an asterisk, I don't know if it's a 7 off 3 or a 7 off 2. I'm thinking it might be a freebie, but we'll have to wait and see. So this video is potentially 3 freebies. Everybody's best friend, the Axe body wash, is BOGO 50% off, $2 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these guys is going to be $8.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $4.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And that Fetch Rewards Progressive, spend 20, get back 5. It's no longer on the app, so sorry guys. Nivea body wash at $5, so I think that might be the men's. It's on a spend 20, get back 10. So you're going to need to grab 4 of them at $5 a pop for $20. You're going to pay with your debit card for the balance. Then you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, as this is a spend offer. The devil is in the details right there. It makes each body wash $2.50. And finally, my best friend is back, which is a buy one, get 2 for free on these food storage bags. It makes it 93 cents per box of 20, with back to school right around the corner. Stock up. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is for the Caress. After that register reward, it's going to make it like $4 per Caress. This is one body wash we don't usually get deals on, so possibly one for you. And then we have a 7 off of 2 with The Secret at $12.99 per deodorant. That's going to be expensive, so we'll have to wait and see how that one plays out. And a 3 for $5 with these Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand snacks. This is an online exclusive only. Definitely going to be looking at that in a curbside offer. And then $5.49 for the various laundry care products. Is there a register reward back with that or something? We'll have to see. I know we have the online, but in store, what are we going to get? We're going to have to read those tags on Sunday morning. The Oscar Mayer bacon is 2 for $10, so that's definitely a stock up price. I really like this bacon as well. And then more food, we have a BOGO free on the Raisin brand, so that is really nice to see that cereal specifically is part of it. And we also have the 2 for $4 with the Pringles. So $2 per can if that's your thing and you need some snacks in the household. And we also have a buy 2, get 1 for free on cosmetics. And this is between now right till the end of September. So I think that's a new monthly deal. And with this Charmin, we're going to have to see, a $4 register reward when you buy 4. What are the digital coupons? We'll have to figure that one out. And then the fancier Crest and Oral-B products at $5, 3 off 2 with a 3 off 2. It's not the best, but if you need floss picks or something, potentially another deal we'll have to look at. And I know some of those fancier crests, there's some IBOTTA rebates, so possibly that might be something too, and that'll be a Sunday investigation. That's it for this video. Linking Dollar General right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.